How to fix Valorant login error step by step. To fix Valorant login error, first of all, you must clear the cache session data. So first of all, to clear the Riot Client cache, you simply have to open the task manager on your desktop and end the task on all Riot Client, Valorant, or Vanguard processes. Then press the Window R key. Then type %local AppData and then press enter. Then locate the Valorant folder and delete it to wipe the corrupted local login cache. Once you do so, you simply have to change your DNS settings from the control panel, head to the network and internet sharing option, then click the change adapter settings on the left panel, right click on your active internet connection, choose the properties and double click the internet protocol version 4. Now select the preferred DNS server, which is 1.1.1.1 or 1.0.0.1. And you simply have to click OK to save the network pathway. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.